I'm Wendy.
I'm Steve. And this is Pippin.
And together we're the Happy Travellers.
We moved on to a Leclerc. It says it's got services and a washing machine. So we were very happy to get the laundry done. But we've had a bit of a problem. The parking's not a problem because the car park's empty. We only needed to stay one night, and they do have services in the petrol forecourt, in the garage forecourt, over this way. It's it looks like one of the standard things, like this. Yeah, so it's got toilet emptying. I think the water's not on. We saw online that the water wasn't on. So good place to stop. So Wendy thought, oh good, we can get all that washing done. However, when we came to do the washing, you notice it's 20 kilos for 12 euros. So we put all this washing in. It's like a full load. I think there's probably about 10 or 12 kilos. And then you go across to here and you pay on this machine here, which Wendy duly did. And then, so here's the instructions. Don't leave anything in pockets. Put your laundry in the machine, close the door, go to the payment, choose the program. This is the program button. You see there's nothing on the screen there, but there isn't until you pay, and then choose the program and press the start button. But we pressed the start button and nothing happened. So we've got all that washing in there. We can get it out. Wendy's here, got the bag now to get all the washing out. So we paid 12 euros and we got nothing, no washing done. So I tried to phone this number here. That just didn't connect. There's another number on the screen that comes round as it goes. It's a sort of advertising screen, and that sort of comes around with that number there. So I tried that. Oh, that's the same as the number at the top. There is a different number that I tried. That one didn't connect. It just rang off, and the other one just rang twice and then disconnected. And I tried phoning about 4 or 5 times. And nothing. So that wasn't very good. So we thought, I'm not really happy about paying 12 euros to not get washing done. So I've asked the Revolut people to revert the charge. I've sort of had to put on description of all the stuff that was happening, and that's it. And they asked for if I'd contacted the merchant. Couldn't do that. There's a big step down there. Couldn't contact the merchant because the phones weren't working. And I didn't have a receipt. It doesn't give you a receipt. Your receipt is, have you done the washing? So bit of a pain. So I had to do a lot of description of stuff, and hopefully, well, they said that's going to be passed on to their payment investigation team, and hopefully that'll all get reverted and we'll get our 12 euros back. But there you are. It's it's a lovely sunny day, and we were going to stay here for the night, but we're not now. We're going to move on up the road. We're so close to Calais. Regular viewers will know we're on Miserly March, so we're looking to minimise. Maybe we should call it minimal March, We're looking to minimise our spend, so looking for free airs like this one, Leclerc, with the washing machine and so on. And well, we're going to go to a laundry, get the laundry done, and then we're going to move on to a free air before we go to Calais tomorrow. So we're going to stay one night tonight and then Calais tomorrow. That'll be Monday. We stay overnight at Calais. We've got free electric there. Well, it's not free, it's all included in the 16 euro charge. We'll fill up with water, empty all our waste, do all the emptying, because that's all included. And then we'll be on our way for the 7:16 train from Calais to Folkestone and back to jolly old England. And then I think we're going to go to Canterbury after that. But here we are at this Leclerc. You've seen around that a little bit. Coming up is the other laundry and the other air that we're going to stay at. Well, we're 15 minutes up the road at a different location, and you'll notice that the machine's working. Had a few more options on this one. We could do pre-wash and softener and freshener and whatever else. So Wendy chose those, and this load, quite a big load, it's a full machine, was $16.50. But Wendy's very happy now. She's in the van, relaxing. Now the washing's actually getting done. This is where we are. We're parked at a petrol station. So it's a Carrefour market. There we go. It's not, it's closed now. It's open 8:30 to 12:30 on Sundays. Now, I think I've spotted over there is it a pizza shop or is it one of those pizza machines? Because what we did say is if we ever spot another pizza machine, we're going to go and buy one. Oh no, I think it's a shop. I think it's just it's a kiosk. Yes, it's not an automatic pizza machine. It has a pedestrian crossing by the garage across to the pizza shop, and I wonder, I'm going to have a look around the back just in case it has no I was wondering whether it had an automated pizza machine at the back, but no. But that's it. Oh well. But that's where we are. We're parked over there. We're not staying here for the night. We're going to an air that's quite close at I think it's called Watten, Wetten, something like that. One of the other things, we had to fill up with diesel today, and we went to the TotalEnergies garage or filling station in Montreuil and filled up there, and it was €2 and a penny, €2 1 cent, so 2.01 per litre. And I did read online that TotalEnergies were putting a cap on their diesel price or their fuel prices, not letting them go above €2.10, I think. Not much of a concession, I think, but it's worth knowing, isn't it, that they're not going to go up any more than that, even though the price of crude oil or barrels of oil has come down to what it was before this, quotes, emergency that put the prices up. But here we are. We've got 40 minutes for that washing. We've got another load to do, so that's another 40 minutes. So, and then we've got some more drying time to do after that. We're probably, it's about 1:30 right now in the afternoon, so So I don't think we get away from here until about 5 p.m. and then we'll be trying to check in to the nearest Aire so that we can settle down and have some tea and show you what that Aire's like. Join us then right after this. We have arrived at our next destination, which is literally 2 minutes drive from the laundry and fuel station down the road, and it is by a canal, as you can see over that way. I'll just take you out to the edge. There's services there, toilet emptying, fresh water, which is on a token, but you can get the tokens from these places here. It says tokens are available there. There's waste empty, rubbish bins there. Well, let's just show you the toilet emptying. It's just there. Freshwater fill up, and what you get for your token is you get 10 minutes of potable water and 55 minutes of electric. If you needed to charge up, you can. And of course there's the grey waste service point just here. Little rubbish bin there, and plenty of parking. Probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, probably enough for 12 to 15 people squeezed up. You can see out here we've got this very narrow road coming down, but you've got this canal here. I think it's a canal, it might be a river. I'll have a look. But there we are. Beautiful, beautiful place. Grass at the back, overlooking the water. You notice it's very quiet, a little bit windy. And hi there, how you doing? Good. And what they've done is they've provided a picnic bench at the back. Just show you where we're parked up here. And that is a little picnic bench, probably a tributary from there's probably a river over the back there, or a canal, I don't know. But anyway, there's more water out that way. There's boats and people down there doing their fishing, and that's where we're going to leave you for today. Oh, it's a bit windy. Try not to let the door go too much, because the wind caught it a few weeks back and busted this little stay thing here, so that's all broken. I've got to fit a new one of those. I'm going to order that when I get back to the UK, and a pretty easy job there to fit that. A couple of screws, maybe a bit of Sikaflex, but that's going to be it from us today. I hope you've enjoyed that one. We're going to give you a little tour of the Aire at Calais when we get there tomorrow.
Yes. Yes.
And that'll be it, and then we'll be on the Channel Tunnel.
Yes, we will.
Probably do a little video of us getting going on the tunnel. It's very early in the morning, so we've got to be there at 5. No, we've got to get up at 5.
Yeah.
And then we've got to be there at 6. So that's it from us today.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope
Yep.
you've enjoyed that. And we'll see you again in the next one. Bye bye for now.
Bye bye, everyone.